In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify how to remove storefront password protection. If your store currently shows a password page to visitors, that means it's locked behind a simple gate intended for development or a soft launch. Disabling that gate makes your storefront publicly accessible so customers can browse, add to cart, and check out without seeing the password screen. Start by opening your Shopify store's admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and your online storefront settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and select Online Store. This opens the area that controls your website's appearance and public-facing settings. Next, click Preferences within the Online Store section. Preferences is where Shopify keeps essential site-wide settings, including your store's title and meta information, as well as the password protection controls. Scroll until you find the password section, sometimes labeled Password Protection. Here, you'll see the option that currently restricts access to your storefront. To remove the password page, change the setting so that password protection is disabled. In most cases, that means unchecking the box or toggling off the restriction. If there's a message displayed on your password page, it will no longer appear once the protection is turned off. When you've made the change, save your settings to apply them. After saving, your storefront is live for everyone. Visitors will land directly on your homepage without being asked for a password, and they can freely navigate your site. This is great when you're ready for real traffic, marketing campaigns, and sales. Keep in mind, once the password is removed, search engines and customers can access your site anytime, so it's a good moment to make sure your theme looks polished, your navigation is clear, and your products, shipping, and policies are up to date. If you don't see the password option in Preferences, double-check that you're in Online Store, then Preferences, and that your account has permission to edit storefront settings. The password control lives specifically in that Preferences area, so it's worth confirming you're in the right place. That's all there is to it. Open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, click Preferences, and turn off the password protection. Save your changes and your store is open to the world. Thanks for watching and good luck with your launch.